Hello beautiful people, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, my name is Miss Candy J.B in the house. I really appreciate it for you guys always tuning in to watch my video, leaving a comment, giving my video a thumbs up. I don't take it for granted. It really means a whole lot to me. I hold it so dear to my heart that you guys enjoy my video, and please let me know what other videos would like to see from Miss Candy J.B so that I can be able to post it on my channel right here. So kama kawaida, please head over to the subscribe button, click it, and let me know what you think about my video. Leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Let's be friends on IG. I've left my IG handle at the description box down below, so let's jump right into the video. Today I'm back with a new video. This is something I've been waiting for so long. On today's video we'll be doing the unboxing. We are unboxing some packages that I've been waiting for so long. It's been a long time coming. I could not wait. It's this was my very first time shipping something by myself on my own with no help whatsoever. And did I also mention that this was my first time ever shipping something from the United States, from the US. I'm just super impressed by how short of a time it took for my package to get to Kenya. Around 3 weeks. Can you imagine? 3 weeks. So on today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing of the GOPRO Hero 9 camera. So let's jump right into the main character of the day. I am super excited. Voila, here, GOPRO. that is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly consider subscribing for more amazing videos. You can follow me on Instagram at Candy B Artistry, and also my parting shot. Always remember this: to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Bye bye. Mwah.